Welcome back to my channel. So I've been promising a little video just now of a new scan tool. It's been a long time in coming because I've been working. Finished work now, so this is my video. So in this bag is the new Topdon. It's a range of 2 scanners they do. This one is the Topdon Artidiag 500. So I've had this a little while. I've done a bit of research and development, a bit of sort of testing for Topdon on this product, and now I can do a review of it. So that's what I'm doing. So it comes in this little soft shell bag when you get it. It comes in a box as well, but I've lost the box because I've had it a little while. But a nice little soft shell sort of bag, as you can see. A little carry handle at the top, zipper all the way around, Topdon on here. It's got a nice bag. Inside it you have the scan tool, which sits in this little pocket here. You have 2 cables. So you have a charging cable, USB-C, which is always good, and this is a wired scan tool, so you have the cable. So that side there plugs in to here, the top of the machine, in here, and this is your OBD2 connector, goes into your car. So as you get here, this sits in this little pocket like this, and this is a little look at the actual scan tool itself. So as you can see, it's very round the sides here. It's quite robust. It's like a hard sort of rubberized sort of plasticky sort of corners. Right along here, it's a rubberized plastic. It's all very grippy. It's all like sort of hand grips here. It's grippy here. And along the top you've got a power button here which turns the unit on and off, as you can see. So this unit is touch screen, so you can touch on the screen to do whatever you need to do. It's also got buttons, so you can use both options for navigating around it. Artidiag 500 here. So you've got an OK button to get you through the menus, left, right, up, down, and a back button. Again, grippers here. At the back of the machine you have all the information about it. You have what is, I would call around here, a speaker area. This side's solid, so I would say that would be like a speaker or an air vent or some description. But again, it's nice and kind of contoured all around here. Very nice machine. So this is the top where your OBD2 plugs in. On the side here, what we have, just stick my hand under here. What we have is we have a little, so in here you have your connection, and there is your USB-C, and in here is a lock, so that you can lock the actual machine with a tether sort of line. So that goes in the side there. It's a very simple, straightforward setup, but again, it's very nice. So when you plug the machine in, at the top of the screen here you've got the battery, Bluetooth, which battery you've got left, VCI is plugged in or not, and you've got the time, the date. As you come in, you've got your, if you've used a Topdon scanner before, you've got this set up. This is, you know, standard across the range. Diagnostics, OBD, EOBD. This is inspection, maintenance, readiness, so that'll tell you your emissions and stuff like that, how ready the car is for its maintenance. You've got the maintenance functions of this scanner here. I believe it's 6 on this scan tool. That's correct. So it's oil, throttle, electronic parking brake, steering, angle sensor, battery management, and tyre pressure monitoring system. So again, I mean, if you click on one of these, you choose your make. So I'll just check out with Infinity, make sure VCI is connected. You would do that. Obviously it's not connected, so it's not going to do much, but it would take you into the menu. You can do automatic scan or manual scan. Manual we'll do here so that we can go further into it, because automatic won't work. So we'll go Europe. We'll just choose anyone, it doesn't really matter. We'll just choose European Common, we'll just choose Infinity FX, and we'll choose that one. So that's currently what it's given. It's not going to let us do anything, the function's not supported because we're not plugged in. So, but yeah, that's how you would do that manually. If you go into diagnostics, again, it's the same screen. So we'll go back to that in a second. You've got updates, so you can click on there. You can update the machine. It tells you here when everything expires, what's new, what's to be updated, what's not to be updated. So it tells you here Lexus, Cycle, Toyota. You can just click on update. It tells you what's new in it. You can click on update and it will update these 3 items. So again, very handy for that. Library, again, the repair guide, technical service bulletins, DLC location, that's in case you don't know where the OBD port is, and the warning light database. It's all in there. Battery voltage, so when it's plugged into the vehicle, the vehicle, when this is plugged in using USB, using OBD2, this will charge the unit. The OBD2 port will charge the unit, and it will also give you the battery voltage of the vehicle on here as well. So you get your unit charged and you get the battery voltage from having it plugged in. So it's very good that way. Folder is your Artidiag folder. So in there you've got your reports. So again, you've got everything that I've done here. So as you can see, done a few of them. Replay data, don't have any in here to replay just now. I did have, but I've got rid of it. Screenshots, yeah, I've got one in there. That was just to send information back to Topdon. Screen record, so you can record your screens in there. Quick support, which is like TeamViewer and your Chrome browser. All of those are in there. User info, so again, takes you through what you've got here. So you've got firmware update, customer feedback, shop info, system update and settings. So firmware, again, you can update the VCI if you want to. Customer feedback, you can send back information to Topdon, tell them if you're having troubles, what it is, you can give them information on there. So shop info, so you've got it all there. System update, current version, you're up to date. Settings, takes you through your settings menu, so your internet, your storage, time and date, language, unit, auto VIN. As you can see, I've got auto VIN on. Screen lock and about. So it just tells you basically about the scanner there. Check for updates, terms of policy, what it is. So yeah, that takes you, that's basically your menus in a nutshell here, what you've got. IM is your readiness. Of course, you need to have it plugged into the vehicle to be able to do that. But that will give you a diagnostics on, emissions, how ready the vehicle is for inspection, basically. OBD2, EOBD2, we had a little look at that. So this is where you can go into diagnostics. So you've got all your makes and models here. You've got VIN. So if you click on VIN or make, so you can choose your make and model through here. Yeah. And you can go in VIN, gives you auto VIN, or you can enter the VIN of the vehicle, or go through make and model. So for example, you can go Audi, VCI has been connected. I'll say yes, it hasn't, but we'll say yes. So automatic, manual or system. So we'll go through system. Don't know what it'll do. Yeah, there's it. Auto scan, gateway scan, hot functions, repair and control unit. So hot functions is what you can do. And there, I can't do any of these just now because we're not plugged in. Control unit. So these are what it's finding. Now, I believe that the older version of this unit could not do bi-directional controls. This one can. So this unit, with this unit, you can control your headlights, your wipers, a lot of things that the car allows. Through the ECU, this unit will now allow you to do that. It also allows you to do, in a lot of ways, adaptations. So it will allow you to do, depending on the vehicle, although it's got the 6 service function, if you go in to certain parts of the vehicle, as I've noticed, like putting it in the Porsche, for example, you can go in and you can do a DPF regen, for example, which it doesn't normally give you, but it allows you to do it under certain times, certain vehicles. So keep an eye on the updates as it comes out. It adds certain characteristics for certain vehicles depending on manufacturer and what they allow. repair information, so repair help information. So again, you've got engine idle learning, for example. That'll tell you exactly how to do that on other vehicles and on this vehicle. So for example, self-learning values, that'll tell you how to do these certain things that you want it to do. So for this one, hold down your condition, circulation pattern, click plus button. So that tells you how to, this is for what I would call the bi-directional sort of stuff that the scan tool can do as well. This will take you through all this. So choose 70 minutes. So it tells you here, it takes you through it step by step. Enter O2, click OK. The tool display shows the information of this channel. Click set new value. So it's allowing you to do certain, as it's called, it's help. It's repair information help. So it's showing you how to repair stuff and giving you information and tips on how to do that. So that's very, very good. Channel information, again, you can click on brakes, you can click on basic settings. Brake pump bleeding. So it tells you what channel brake pump bleeding's on, kick down alignment, so it just takes you through things like that. Log in 460 active basic settings, so it takes you through little things like that, and these little things are always handy. So adaptation, trailer stabilisation, hill hold, hill assist, so only valid. So it tells you exactly there what is valid for the engine type. It takes you through what you need to know. So that's that. So it's got passenger seat adjustment, central electronics, air conditioning, radio tuner, digital engine control module. So again, you've got adaptation, you've got different settings, so you can change your values, change idle control, speed regulation. So as I say, this is no longer a basic scanner. This is some adaptations on it, not them all, but some adaptations, and a lot of bi-directional controls as well. So it's very good for things like that. So again, that's that one. That's under repair information. Hot functions we've clicked on, control unit we've clicked on. So again, fuel cell engine, for example. I'm not plugged in, so none of this will work just now, but again, you've got to have a VCI plugged in for all these. But I mean, as you can see, tire pressure monitoring, gear shift control module, this is a really, really good scan tool. Now, on my channel, I will put in the link in the description a discount code where you can get 15% off this scan tool. Now, I believe this scan tool is about £100 in British money. So I think with the discount takes it down to about £86, which is an absolute bargain for this scan tool. A complete and utter steal at that price. It's even a steal at £100 for what it does. They market this scan tool as a mid-range, and it is a mid-range scan tool, but it's a very, very good scan tool. So again, you've got all your makes, all your models, you've got your battery voltage up here when it's connected in, so you can keep an eye on your car battery. There's more stuff getting released for this all the time. The updates for this are free for life, I believe, so you don't pay any update fees ever. Again, really, really good scan tool. I know I keep saying it, I will get it onto the car one day, I will show you it working, I will show you, how it can do an adaptation, I will show you how it can do bi-directional controls. We will get round to all that, but this is just an unboxing to show you what you get, to tell you that you can get a discount on this, and to get you to try it. You get Topdon customer support with this, which is second to none, best in the industry by far, easily. It's a high quality, really good scan tool. It is a mid-range scan tool, so it's for basic mechanics or garages could both use it. It's small enough to carry about with you. It's everything you could ever need to do. I mean, you just have a look in there under what I've just done. For example, Bentley, there's so much you can do. System, repair information, again here, repair help information, channel information, so engine idle learning. It takes you through all this, tells you how to do it. Sorry if you're hearing anything in the background, that's the dogs running about. I've got 2 dogs. So yeah, so that's the functions that this can do, and I will take you through it one day and I will show you how everything can work on this. But I mean, for just now, what we're going to do is, so I can use, as you can see, I can use my finger, touch screen, or I can move around using this here, and I can click on all this. So again, you've got the two options of doing that. So I'm going to finish this video just now because I've got a lot to do tonight, but I hope you liked the video. As I say, it's £100 for this scanner. If you use the code that I will put in my link in description, you'll get it for £86 through Topdon. You get all the service and everything that goes with that. Exceptional customer service. So have a look at this scan tool. If you like it, I really recommend you buy it. It's a brilliant scan tool. And please like, subscribe to my channel. Please share it if you like my videos, and subscribe. And I will be back soon with this plugged into the car. I'm also going to take you through a few other things.